Imagine a world where every saw cut transforms a simple piece of wood into a work of art, where every DIY project becomes a stress-free, hassle-free adventure. This world is not a distant dream, but a reality within reach thanks to the Bosch PST Jigsaw. With its promise of effortless cutting, this tool is designed to inspire and unleash the creativity of everyone, from the amateur DIYer to the seasoned professional. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours right away. This jigsaw is ideal for DIY enthusiasts of all levels, from beginners looking to complete their first home project to professionals demanding precision and efficiency in their cutting tasks. It is the perfect tool for those who aspire to transform wood and metal with ease and comfort. At the heart of this revolution in the world of DIY lies a tool that, due to its simplicity, lightness, and maneuverability, guarantees an unparalleled user experience. The Bosch PST is an engineering marvel designed to make sawing not only easy, but also enjoyable. With surgical precision, it allows for straight and curved cuts with astonishing ease, promising impeccable results with every use. But what makes the PST so special? First, its powerful 500-watt motor is a great start. Capable of cutting through wood up to a depth of 65 mm, it knows no limits. Whether it's cutting custom shelves, creating wooden toys for children, or carrying out sophisticated decoration projects, the PST meets all challenges with surprising ease. And guess what? You can own this product with a single click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. Bosch's low vibration technology plays a crucial role in this performance. It minimizes vibrations, ensuring safe operation and great user comfort. Add to that the soft grip system, and you get such a comfortable grip that you'll almost forget you're working. The ergonomics of this tool have been designed down to the smallest details, resulting in less fatigue and increased precision, even during long working sessions. But that's not all. The PST is also equipped with a blowing function that ensures perfect visibility of the cutting line in all circumstances. This function can be disabled according to your needs, providing you with total flexibility in your way of working. In addition, the Bosch SDS system simplifies blade changes, making this operation quick, safe, and free from any additional tools. The saw comes with a special wood cutting blade, ready to use right out of the box. The advantages of the PST do not stop there. Its compact design and lightweight of only 1.6 kilos ensure exceptional maneuverability. Whether you are working in a tight space or need precision in your cuts, this jigsaw is the ideal companion. And with its storage case, transporting and storing this tool becomes a breeze. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order now and revolutionize your daily life. Now, let's summarize its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, maneuverability and ease of use. Its compact and lightweight design, combined with the soft grip ergonomic handle, ensures an excellent grip and reduces fatigue during long working sessions. Advantage number 2, low vibration. Thanks to Bosch's low vibration system, users enjoy increased comfort and improved precision by reducing vibrations during cutting. Advantage number 3, precision in cutting. The blower function, which can be turned on or off, ensures a clear view of the cutting line, allowing for more precise cuts. Advantage number 4, ease of blade change. The SDS system from Bosch allows for quick and tool-free blade changes, optimizing work efficiency and reducing interruptions. Advantage, versatility. Capable of cutting through wood and metal, this tool is suitable for a wide variety of DIY and renovation projects. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. The first disadvantage is the corded power supply. The need for an electrical outlet can limit mobility and accessibility, especially in remote areas or places lacking power sources. In summary, the Bosch PST Jigsaw is much more than just a tool. It is a passport to creativity, a way to turn your ideas into reality with an ease and precision never seen before. Whether you are looking for your first DIY tool or want to enrich your arsenal, the PST is a choice that will change your life. For those who are ready to take their DIY project to the next level and experience unprecedented comfort and precision, the time has come to discover the Bosch PST 650. Don't miss this opportunity to transform the way you work. Click on the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more about this revolutionary product, and explore the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.